Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on possessives. Our objective for today is I can read 3 out of 4 words as singular and plural possessives. Let's review our phonemes. Remember, phonemes are just the sounds that we hear in words. Let's try the word cart. Go ahead and tap it out with me. K, R, T. Cart has 3 phonemes. Seeds. Ready? Do it with me. S, E, D, Z. Seeds. 4 phonemes. Your next one, scarf. S, K, R, F. Scarf has 4 phonemes. The last one, check. Do it with me. Ch, E, K. Check has 3 phonemes. Nice job. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just review some words that are contractions. Remember, contractions are when we stick 2 words together, some of those letters pop out, and that's where the apostrophe would go. Let's go ahead and read them together. Ready? Can't, won't, he's, I'm, they'll, didn't, let's, their, last row, whose, your, wouldn't, hasn't. Nice job on reading your contractions. Let's do our fluency practice. Make sure that we are reading these just the way we would speak. Let's read them 2 times each. Go ahead. Ready? I'll help them. Again, I'll help them. Next, she's here to play. Again, she's here to play. Next one, don't eat that. Again, don't eat that. Last one, that's a long way. Again, that's a long way. Nice work on your fluency. We have a short passage. You'll notice in our passage we also have a lot of words with contractions. Let me underline the ones with that are contractions. We're, isn't, it's is short for it is, there, which represents they are, he's represents he is, I'm stands for I am, we're stands for we are, I'm is for I am. I think we got them all. Every once in a while I miss one. Okay, let's go ahead and read this together. Ready? We're having a birthday party just for me today. This isn't my real birthday. It's August 12th. I invited many friends. They're all coming but Alex. He's on a trip with his family. I'm not sure what kind of cake my mom got for me. We're going to have a bouncy house. I'm so excited about today. You're welcome to stop the video and reread the passage. Remember, we're working on reading with fluency. Make sure what you're reading makes sense. Let's move on to our possessives. Okay, possessives are when we are showing ownership. We use apostrophes when we're doing possessives. A singular possession, you add an apostrophe S. In the word cats, it shows the food is belonging to the cat. So we have the cat's food. Whose food? Cats. They added an apostrophe S. When there is more than one, we call that a plural possession. a plural possession, we have an S, then the apostrophe, like in the word dogs. The dog's toys. Dogs means the toy belongs to more than one dog. So you'll notice S and the apostrophe at the end. Okay, the teacher model. Sam's dog. Right away, I notice there is an apostrophe S. That shows that it's singular, which means just one. Whose dog is it? Sam's dog. Okay, your turn. Let's read it. Cat's paw. Again, cat's paw. Because it's got an apostrophe S, we know that it is singular. Whose paw? It's the cat's paw. It is showing ownership. The next one, girl's doll. Girls also has an apostrophe S. Girl is singular. It's her doll, so we say girl's doll. Last one, flowers, petals. You'll notice here the apostrophe is after the S. S apostrophe showing that this is plural, more than one. Flowers, petals. Let's have you do your practice. Okay, let me see if I can write that in. Okay, brother room. If we want to show that it's one brother's room, we would add apostrophe and then the S. Well, that won't work. Hold on, friends. Here we go. Apostrophe S. Okay, the bird's cage. If there is one bird and it's the bird's cage, we would add apostrophe and then the S. All the boys' cars. This is showing that it's a plural. There is more than one boy, so we're going to add an S to show that it's plural, and the apostrophe would go after the S. All the boys' cars. Grandparents' farm. If there's more than one grandparent, we would have an S to show that it's plural, and then the apostrophe would go at the end, after the S. Grandparents' farm. Nice job, boys and girls, I think. And there could be, is there one more? Nope. If you got them all correct with me, you can say, I can read 4 out of 4 words as singular and plural possessives. Nice job, boys and girls.